Picture yourself in the 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, front reading lamps, bucket seats. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.